Hey Jonathan, my name is Galia and this video is for Danik Electrical Inc. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that you will set your company above your competition. And the first one I want to say is that your site is not secure. So you need SSL certificate. And SSL certificate is a bit of code on your web server that provides security for online communications. So make sure your site is web secured. And another thing is the content, Google-like content. So you want to make sure on your site you have more than 1,500 or 2,000 words on your homepage. So, and also, if you save your pictures in the right way, let's say, image, for example, and we can see commercial. You should put some keyword here, so Google can rank this to save your pictures all in the correct with the correct keywords. So another thing what I want to say to you is citations. So if we come here and type electricians NYC, we can see the Google guaranteed ads, and then we see the normal ads. Usually some people have it's 50-50. Some people have already ad blockers, so they can't really see it because they're tired of ads already. So, and then we see map pack. So you actually want to be here because by statistics 75% people are usually looking for only here and the first page, and they're not going to second page and third page. So what is citation? Citation, it is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their, would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps, right here, you want to you need to make sure that you are looking at your competitions directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop it, and you want whatever your competition has, want to get that one, and you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in this search. So now we already covered content citations, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. So you can see the Yelp, the expertise, all of this, Home Advisor. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have to, you know, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website is all about ice cream shop and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking one of my tools is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as we can see, you have 18 referred domains, and that gives you 210 backlinks, and out of those you have 10 keywords. That brings you one person average on your website each month. As I said before, it's not 100% accurate, but it's such gives an idea. If we can see, for example, of one of the competitors here, he's on the first page, Apollo NYC. He has 47 referring domains. That gives him 381 backlinks, and out of those, he's getting found for 414 keywords. That brings him 597 people on average on their site each month. And if we check his keywords, what he's ranking for, we can see that his electricians in my area, 2,000 people looking for that, and 70 people going to his website. And then he has electrical NYC, 150 people looking for that, and 46 people coming to his website. And then electrical contractors NYC. So you can do the same thing and put these keywords on your website, so to make sure that your website also ranking good. So as I said, make sure you have you secured your website, you have content, you saved your pictures with right keywords, you have right backlinks, and you put yourself in the citations to rank it. To boost all of these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. And that's pretty much it, what I all had to for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. Thanks again, and have a great day.